In today's video, I am going to teach you how to delete your Stripe account. Before we begin, a quick heads up. Closing your Stripe account will stop your ability to accept payments and may remove your access to certain dashboard data. If you rely on reports or payout history, make sure you understand what will and won't be available after closure. With that in mind, let's walk through the process clearly and carefully. First, open your browser and sign in to your account at Dashboard. Stripe.com. Use your usual login details, and if you are prompted for two-factor authentication, complete that as well. If you manage more than one business within Stripe, double-check that you are in the correct account before proceeding since you want to close the right one. Once you are in the dashboard, look to the top right corner for the gear icon. That's the Settings button. Click it to open your account's settings area. The layout can change slightly from time to time, but the gear icon is consistently where you'll access the main configuration options. Next, under Business Settings, choose Account Details. This section contains your legal entity information, business profile, and key controls related to the status of your account. It's a good place to confirm you are viewing the correct business name and information one last time. Now scroll all the way to the bottom of the Account Details page. There, you'll see the Close Account button. Click it when you are ready. Stripe will typically remind you what closing entails, such as losing access to certain dashboard features and stopping payment activity. Take a moment to read any prompts on screen, so you understand the effect on pending payouts, disputes, or subscriptions associated with the account. To finalize the closure, Stripe will ask you to verify your identity. You'll either enter your password or input a 6-digit verification code sent to your email. This is a security measure to ensure only the rightful account owner can complete the process. If you don't see the code right away, check your spam or promotions folders, and remember that codes usually expire after a short period, so enter it promptly. After you confirm, Stripe will begin closing your account. You may see a confirmation message in the dashboard and potentially receive a confirmation email as well. Keep any closure confirmation for your records. If your business had open items, such as recent charges or pending payouts, those will be handled according to Stripe's policies, and access to the dashboard may be limited after closure. That's it. You've learned exactly how to delete your Stripe account safely and confidently. Thanks for watching.